This 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, skylight, water heater, oven, TV, stovetop burner, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,456 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.